Neighborhood Health Watch is sponsored by the doctors of HCA Virginia.
It is a problem that's getting more and more attention as young people become more active in sports. It is something parents need to be aware of. Concussions can leave behind lasting health problems, and you may be surprised at the number of sports where the threat exists. And Dr. Azhar Talibi is here to talk more about this. He's from Chippenham Pediatrics and Adolescent Medicine, and you're here to talk more about concussions. And Dr. Talibi, when we talked about this before you came on, you listed football, hockey, basketball as sports where we might expect concussions, but you also said soccer, bicycling, even cheerleading. Why is it such a threat over such a wide range of sports?
Well, any sport where there can be a fall or a sudden impact to the head or any impact in the body where the head moves rapidly can jar the brain and cause an injury.
And this is something that doctors like you are paying much closer attention to than maybe you did 10 years ago.
Absolutely. As we find that there's more and more research out there that shows that the effects of not just one concussion but several concussions can add up over time.
So what, if I'm a parent right now, what should I be looking for as my young person goes out to play their sport?
Well, anytime there's a head injury, Virginia state laws have been very proactive in getting children off the field for that day. But you have to watch them for the next several hours to see if any other symptoms can arise.
And what are some of the symptoms that parents should look for?
Well, the most common thing is headaches. You also can have dizziness, you can have confusion, memory loss. They can be sensitive to bright lights or loud noise, or even just a change in their personality where they just don't seem like they're themselves.
And is this something that you may recommend parents to stay away from a particular sport, or is it something where they just have to be careful when they're out there?
Well, sports are a big part of growing up, a big part of learning other valuable lessons like discipline and teamwork. So I'd hate to tell families to not engage in sports for their children, but just be aware of the potential side effects of concussions and what to watch out for.
Right. This is something getting a lot of attention on every level, so we appreciate you being here, Doctor. Thanks so much for that perspective.
All right, thank you, Ryan.
All right. And don't forget, you can learn more about the doctors and the conditions that they're treating on our website, NBC12.com. All right, here's Ross Runnerdown with a check on the forecast. Hey, Ross.